Y'all hear how fat that is? God, it's all loop elements, man. All loop elements out here. So as you can see, it's really, really dope with using loop elements. I can literally just press one set of notes down and I get the loop, and I'm able to program something really, really dope and really, really fat, really, really quick. And it doesn't take me a whole lot of effort to expand and really do something crazy. So now all I'm going to do is kind of copy paste a couple of things. This is going to be a driving part right here. We'll keep this going right here. All right, let's keep it moving. So this song is broken up pretty simple. I'm just doing that. So I've gotten a couple of parts programmed already, and I'm almost done programming the main part of the loop. And then we're going to add some accents, and then we're going to be done, boys and girls. So let's see what we got here. So you can see loops is what really makes this song move, you know what I mean, along with everything else that's going to be in, right? It's going to add so much texture to this. All right, and then all I need to do now is add in the final kind of foundation of this. Let's keep it going here. What I love about this is that because I'm only dealing with single notes and I'm pressing down on the ones of the measure, I don't have to, I can quantize it like 1/4 note quantize and lock it straight to the grid as easy as I need to. All right, so I'm gonna add in one more instance, and then we're gonna add some effects in, and I'm gonna show you this part because I got this real big part of the song that comes in where we're going to add in some shakers and some tambourines, right, in a worship song. So one note here, we're going to add in a shaker. It's going to be fire. So crazy, right? Just to add that kind of movement and everything to it, just by just pressing one key on the doggone keyboard, and you got this just smacking loop just by doing that. You know what I'm saying? That's what makes it all come together. All right, so I'm gonna pull up Extreme. Let's see, what do I want to use for this? That's it. That's the one I'm looking for. So as you can see, everything is in the toolkit you need to do what you need to do in order to build out some really fire loops. So I'm just adding in effects now. I like them as little kind of fillers, like a bar. It's a little trick. Some people, they put their chimes like right on the bar, like one. I like to put it on the 4 or on the last whatever that measure, because it tends to give you something that's like a lead in. It's letting you know that something is about to happen in the track. So I'm gonna listen down. I think I've kind of gotten it where I want it. Let me see, I may see hear a few other spots in there. We're gonna play it from the top just to kind of see if I got everything in here that I want. You gotta have a loop ox. You gotta have one, bro. Because loop is like, yeah, like you said, loop programming is like aux programming, for real, for real. That's the truth, man. Y'all hear how fat that is? God. It's all loop elements, man. All loop elements out here. So make sure you go grab it.